I'm going to show you how to paint the design on our dragon clapper. First, take one of the smaller pieces, and we're going to paint with a very small brush. We're going to paint little teeth all around the sides. Start about a 1/2 inch in from the edge of where the hole is drilled, a 1/2 inch in, and just paint little V's all the way down. You don't have to be very neat with this, just little V's like that, and then fill in the V's. And paint this design all the way around both of the small pieces, not in the back. We're going to start here, go around the front, and down to this side, about a 1/2 inch from the edge of the hole. Now I'm going to paint a pattern down the back of the green section on the larger piece of wood. Take some green and white and mix it together so you have a lighter green. And then we'll paint some little diamonds down the back of our dragon. And again, you don't have to be an artist to do this. You just a simple pattern. And in the end, we're going to outline everything with black, and it will really define it and give it a nice look. Okay, so you paint your diamonds and then just fill them in like this. Now we're going to paint diamonds also on one of the small pieces. And you want to make sure that the teeth are pointing downward. This is going to be the top of the head. Again, with the white and green mixed together, we're going to do a similar pattern on the nose of our dragon. Now clean your brush, and we're going to make little white dots right down the back of our dragon. Just little white dots. And do the same here. Let that dry a minute, and then we'll put a little green dot in the middle of each. For the eyes, we're going to paint some white dots right here past this diamond, the first diamond. Just a little circle like that. And we'll let that dry a bit.